How to set distance on Bumble. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. Bumble is an online dating and networking application launched in 2014. Profiles of potential matches are displayed to users based on the preferences that you have put. Now, if you want to change your distance on Bumble, simply follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to launch the Bumble app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account. Now, the easiest way to set distance is to tap on the icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here on the dating basics section, you have who you want to date and age. Now, normally you will find the option to set a distance right below age. For some reason, it is not showing up in my application as of now, but you should find the option of distance right below age. It is going to look something like this. All you want to do is drag this slider to adjust the kilometers you want. If you drag it to the right hand side, the distance will increase. If you drag it to the left hand side, the distance will decrease. And now your preferences will be set based on the distance that you have set. You can change the distance anytime you want. On the advanced filters option, you also have other filters that you can apply to. For that, you will have to unlock the premium. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos.